Breakthrough scientific discovery can cure Alzheimer's and dementia. Alzheimer's disease and dementia are a pressing mental health problem. Every 3 seconds, someone develops dementia worldwide. And, in the United States alone, more than 6 million people have Alzheimer's disease. But a promising new treatment can reverse those horrible statistics. A peer-reviewed study focusing on an Alzheimer's cure has shown exciting progress. In fact, the study claims a complete recovery from Alzheimer's disease. So there is hope for Alzheimer's patients worldwide. The study authors examined how induced pluripotent stem cell transplants could be used to cure Alzheimer's patients. Induced pluripotent stem cells are cells that are typically taken from skin or hair that are reprogrammed into a very early stage of development. From this reprogrammed early state, they can be grown into whatever kind of cell is necessary. To understand how induced pluripotent stem cell transplants can cure Alzheimer's disease, we need to understand how Alzheimer's disease affects the brain. The human brain is composed of cells called neurons, in addition to other matter. Neurons are responsible for our functioning and consciousness. The neuron has 3 parts to it: a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. The cell body contains the nucleus, which controls how the cell functions. The dendrites are branches that connect different neurons to each other in the brain. And axons are used to transmit the messages via the dendrites. The connections between these neurons, in addition to the formation of the neurons themselves, enable the brain to learn and grow. The number of dendrite connections between neurons is known as neuroplasticity. Whereas people with very few connections tend to have low neuroplasticity. In Alzheimer's patients, large numbers of neurons begin to stop functioning, resulting in significant brain damage over time. The neurons die, and connections therefore become pointless between neurons. This causes the brain to forget memories and how to do things. Induced pluripotent stem cells can prevent this from happening. Scientists can grow healthy neurons in a lab and then transplant the healthy neurons into the Alzheimer's patient. This would prevent cognitive decay. And the transplants would be successful because the genetic makeup comes from the Alzheimer's patients themselves. This significantly lowers the risk of rejection of the neurons by the brain. However, more research is still needed to determine if this is a completely safe treatment. But so far the results have shown that transplanting these new neurons led to significant reductions in Alzheimer's disease brain damage. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, support us at buymeacoffee.com/morningwoe.